Hello everyone. In today's video, I will teach us how to earn points on the Alpha Boost incentivized program. So work with me. Now I have an invite here. Now I am about to sign up. This is my first time on the platform. So get started. I will sign in. I will use my MetaMask, connect. It's asking for a referral code. And this is the code. So you insert the referral code and you confirm. The account has been successfully created. Now, after you've created the account, you add your X account to it. Okay. So you authorize the app. Once you authorize, you come back and you tick good. Okay. Now let's go for the Discord. You add Discord. You add Telegram here. To settings. Telegram. You accept. You mark it as done. Then you follow Boost on X. You join channel. Follow Alphabot. So this is what you just keep doing. you do all those social tasks. Join Alphabot Discord server. Post on X with your referral link. So I'm going to so when you want to do this task, copy down this Alphabot, copy it down. Okay. Then click on use our template. So here you now use let's boost Alphabot. Remove this. So post. So sometimes it takes longer time to activate. Sometimes let me reload this page. So I've completed all tasks here. I've completed all tasks here. You can see it. I got 5,000 bonus points. Okay. Now let's do daily spin. Don't forget daily spin. 1,000 points. Okay. Now let's head to featured tasks. Okay. Let's do community tasks. Okay. So let's subscribe to newsletter. So you go to your email to confirm. Sign up for later for the newsletter. So I've taken the 200 points. So now all these community tasks, like their posts on Twitter, it comes once like your post can be featured here by sharing quality content about Boost. This will be added and removed constantly, so check back often. So like you come back here to do tags, the same thing happens here. You do these tags. So if you post a high quality content that the team, any member of the team replies to your content, you have automatic 5,000 points. So you can join the rewards hub. So this upvote, I will do another video for it. I would also do a video on how to connect to Abstract Global Wallet. So give me a follow, subscribe, turn on notifications. Because once I am done with them, I'm going to upload so you can have an easy interaction process on Alpha Boost Season 1.